Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper&Twine, and thank you for clicking on this video. And if you like what you see, I hope you consider subscribing. I'm coming on today. I've got to make some ATCs, and I thought we'd make one together. And I'm going to make one out of basically stuff that I've picked up for free. So first of all, I was looking in a bathroom shop near me, and they'd got some samples of this stuff that's very, very interesting. It's called Silky Board or Nuova. These are the companies that make it. But there's a whole raft. Let me just give that a clean. There's a whole raft of different patterns and colours, and blow me if the samples aren't just about ATC sized. So you can see we've got some interesting ones here, and you could use either side. I've just taken the sticker off there. This might actually be better because it's rough, whereas these are a little bit glossy. But these are designed, you get them in bigger pieces, they're designed to go over tiling in your bathroom or kitchen to give a waterproof wall surface. And I said, oh, these, can I take a couple of samples? And the guy said, yeah. So I do keep going back periodically and getting one or two. And then I'm also in the market for doing some decorating. So I've been picking up paint samples. Look at this. Beautiful names of paint here. I don't think I will be getting this particular paint because it is like a chalky paint. But beautiful names. Rabbit's Whisker. Ginger Cordial, Old Cotswold Blue, Hillside Shadow. Aren't they lovely? Butterpat, really nice names. Dusted Sugar, Vintage China. They sound a little bit like Tim Holtz watercolour, Distress ink colours, don't they? But what I was interested in was the printing on this. I thought this would be lovely to fussy cut. So I think I'm going to do my thing that I'm quite into at the moment. I'm just going to put you on fast forward while I have a little play. So here I am a little while later, everything is dry. I'm not sure about the overall effect. Let me know what you think. What I do like is the lusciousness of the gilding flakes. Can you see that? Such beautiful colours in the gilding flakes. But remember that our substrate was free, and this that I fussy cut was free. So the only things that I've used are my embellishments, my little clipping, the stickles and the gilding flakes. Did I say gilding flakes already? Puh, I've just come back from work. I've got a cup of tea. I'm a bit tired. Yeah, so have a look in your local DIY shops. What can you pick up for nothing? You know, some of these home decor brochures that they have in shops that are free, you know, they've got beautiful pictures in them and images. And this was obviously, you know, from a bathroom place. It's not quite ATC sized, but I think whoever I send this to isn't going to send the ATC police out for me. It's about a 1/16 of an inch too long and about a 1/16 of an inch too short. Not wide enough, but as I say, whoever I send this to, I don't think they're going to get their ruler out and measure it, are they? Yeah, so I quite like it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you regularly find things for free that you use in your crafting, also comment down below. I'll be back soon. Bye now.